Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and today we are going to start with this section 9 as we have completed with this section 8 where we have completed this floor plan 2, and in it we have seen all the 10 steps that needs to be covered in a floor plan. Now we are going to start with the section 9, which is the floor plan 2. The same floor plan we are going to see, but in the advanced fast way. And this is basically a 10.1 cross 10.6 meter floor plan. And as of our course intro page, that is the this floor plan that you have seen and taken this course. We are going to see this complete floor plan now. Okay, as our AutoCAD 2D for civil engineering is this course, so here we will be start with this ground floor plan and make the same concept of it, means the floor plans elevation of this floor plan. We will be making the elevation of this floor plan only, and the same way we will be making the section view of this floor plan. Okay, so let's get start with this section 9. First of all, I will be showing you that what we are going to deal in this section 9, that we are going to see for the floor plan 2, that is basically 10.1 cross 10.6 meter. And in this we are going to use some advanced tools, means the tools that means making the doors and all these are very manual, right? So we will be seeing the how we can do it as on the software. So in this section 10, we will be start with this elevation view, and section 11 we will be start with this section view, and then after our course conclusion will be done. Okay, so let's get to here. This is the floor plan 2 we are going to see. Here you can see that it is 10.11 as the width, and the length is about 10.61. This is basically the floor plan. It is the same floor plan as we have discussed for this part, section 8. It is the same floor plan, but I have made some updates in it. So you can see that here we will be not discussing about the furniture. Here we will be discussing how to make it from scratch in the fast way, how to add the this doors, windows in the fast way, making it non-confusable. And this is the stairs, right? How to make it in the fast way we will be seeing. Then we will be seeing that how to make a column here, then this plane projection, then this slab projection. You can see here the chhajja for this windows are being present here. You can see that green dotted lines are being seen here. They are called as the hidden lines, and basically this is used for the chhajja part of our floor plan. As you see that here you can see that after that all this concept, uh, and here also you will be seeing that a red line is being seen. This is basically the section part from where we are going to see the section view of it. Okay, you can see that it is a section line. We will be discussing it in detail in when we are going to make the section view. Okay, so this was basically the floor plan, and we are going to make it in a very best way. So after that we will be taking some projection of it only, this floor plan only, and making this elevation view. So how to make it and how actually it actually works. So we will be seeing all these details. You can see that this is the windows part. This is the basically this elevation view, front view is being seen as when you see from this part. See, you are facing from this part, you are able to see this part, like this is the staircase area part here, right? And here the windows of these glazed doors are being present. Then this window is being present, and this door is being present. All these things will be seen here. The stairs are also being seen here, right? So all these things we are going to see for this elevation view. And you can see that this much part is being present, as we are going for only the ground floor. If n number of the floors are being present, like the G+2 story, then for the basically them what is present, that this is the ground floor plan, the first floor plan and the second floor plan will also be present. And then after we will be making the elevation view of them also. But for this course we have been dealing here with this floor plan as this ground floor plan, and making this and learning how it actually works. Okay, you can see there there's the parapet wall, and this is the basically a slab wall. Okay, here it is about a slab. Okay, and it is about 0.12. We will see all of this concept very perfectly when we are going to start with this elevation view. how to make it, what's the distance between each of it, what basically the standard distance we take for mm, this chaja part means, and what's the size of this window, what's the size of the door we take, then the parapet size, then the plinth level, what is the plinth level, how to add it. Okay, we will see all of this in detail when we are going to see for this elevation view. And after that we will be start with this section view. As you can see that this is the section AB. We will be cut this section and showcase this like here, and make it in the perfect view of the section AB. Here you can see that this is the toilet part area, and we have to show the toilet part here mainly. After that you can see that the doors are being present, the windows are being present, tile part is present here. And then after the foundation is also been present, you can show the foundation, or it is not compulsory to show the foundation in the section view, but you can show the foundation also. Basically this is the ground level, above it will be the this plinth area is. And then after you can see that at here is the parapet wall, it is the headroom. This is basically called as the headroom. Here you can see that this is the headroom being present for the elevation view. As the stairs are been coming, so we have to provide the headroom. Then after you can see that for this section view also we have to make the staircase. We will be seeing how to make the staircase. Like this way we will be covering our complete this floor plan section elevation part. Okay, so let's get started.